So the Lakers still know they need probably another piece to see the long jump shot.
Oh, Zion flying high for the rebound over Howard. Speaking of athletes.
Yeah, but see, what you didn't see here was that trampoline that they took out from underneath Zion Williamson.
Here comes Carmelo into Porter for the lead. Rebound by Wall, took it away from Rose. Got by Jennings and takes it home. What a play by Wall.
Did you see the afterburner jets by John Wall? He left Jennings in his track. Look at this move right here. I mean,
steals. Here's Curry with a high bounce pass.
Wait, look at the head. Wait for it. Oh, my goodness, his head.
Shepard with the rebound. Fox. Look at him go. Look at De'Aaron Fox go. Oh, if you don't like that, you don't like NBA basketball. Oh, boy. We talk about electricity. Look at that move. And Bagley, the recipient of that great assist. That's 13 assists for De'Aaron Fox.
Knicks have played good interior D.
Slams it down.
Contest, but one of the hardest of the Knicks fans with this one.
Caron Butler will inbound left of the goal.
Inbound. Curry up, open. Jeremy Evans touches the heavens, blocks the shot, goes the other way, rises back up with one hand and flushed it. Oh my gosh!
That was with the offhand too.
Be my first time actually seeing it. He was ablaze. Didn't realize that behind the back, flushing with the left hand. That's how fast John Wall is.
Crowd's been very quiet. It has not been the prettiest game. Crawford just strips J.R. Smith, who's had a rough afternoon. Alley-oop to Griffin! Throws it down! Those two have turned around the Clipper franchise. They lead by 14 here late in the third.
Gasol going to work. Scoop no. Westbrook on the push. Final minute here now. 5 on 4. Westbrook! Oh my! Wow!
After today's result, they'll go to 12-2 against the Southeast, 7-1 on the road against the Southeast. Oh my! Play of the day for the Heat. Derrick Jones, a cloud piercer.
Let's take a couple looks here. Bam throws it a little wide and he has to crank back. Watch how he doesn't dunk it, he's throwing it in. He just spiked that ball in. How does that go in on that angle if he doesn't throw it in perfectly?
When you're shooting a basketball, 4 shooters are really for anyone. So you kind of see how it's affecting Tony Parker.
J.R. Smith! We just saw men fly!
Off George Hill. Took it in the chest, went up a couple more feet with the finish here in Denver.
Game left, now it's brought to 5. Inside for Joakim Noah.
You see him get up in the air and hang, deciding who to pass it to? Wow.
DeRozan has 25 and a half. DeMar DeRozan, 6 to go, got all the way to the bucket. Dominant dynamite! Foul line, right down the middle of the court, and he goes up strong, two-handed jam dunk, and he gets fouled. And one. Hey! Miles Bridges, bring it down! Wow!
I think that's fatigue, Bowling. Oh, how fast was that? Where did Fox? Okay, so watch this. How many dribbles? 3 dribbles in a...
Hardaway Jr. spins on Giannis. Giannis blocks him. Behind the back. Giannis Antetokounmpo. Can only watch.
Holy moly, we would say.
That's how he puts an end to Giannis Gate.
Petro, good rebound. Nice outlet. On the run, 2-on-1. Green the finish. Wow, the alley-oop.
Oh my goodness. He just didn't make that a normal.
Jr. cutting. Oh! And what Sullivan Hill just did a moment ago, Dennis Smith does down here.
My.
You can mean mug after that one, Dennis.
Let's see if the Bulls score here. He gets a timeout. 8-2 trap. Oh, goodness gracious. Big things come in small packages. I've been waiting for this all year long right here. Big things come in small packages. Nice little split the defense. And good job by Nazi.
Vucevic swings it to Gordon. He'll attack. He'll tomahawk. And the foul. Aaron Gordon drops the hammer in Los Angeles.
Westbrook, nobody stop Russell Westbrook, mid-season form.
Well, no one stops the ball. The party.
It's been Westbrook or bust so far in the third period for the Thunder.
Oh, me, oh, my.
I mean, look at this explosive take by West.
Miles has spots on him. Spin! Oh! Miles Bridges all over De'Aaron Fox. Swatted away by Amir Johnson. 8 seconds. Terrence Ross going right at Kenneth Faried with the throwdown. Oh, Terrence Ross just did that.
You know, it's like, we're going to be smart. Well, like who? Does anybody try to be dumb?
Mitchell posterizes the big. Throwing it down on McGee. Vail McGee is 7-2. The rim will feel that one tomorrow.
In the Drew League, which is a summer league in LA.
Anthony Davis. The ball was behind his head. He grabbed it and slammed it in one motion with one hand.
Way, Knightly, good defense. Lead pass,
Stop it! Stop it! Do not do him like that! What are you doing, Dragons? Did you not get the memo?
Actually pumps this ball. Watch.
I want to go higher! Oh my goodness!
And it,
Heck of a play by Griffin.
watch what happens here. This is just a super.
People in the East play the zone.
Oh, Matthews a drive baseline. Oh, McGee just grabs it with the right hand out of the air.
I told you, he's fun to watch.
There's Paul out top, gets the screen from Jordan. Foy left wide open. Griffin, oh, wow!
Oh, you can't give a delay a game on that.
The last couple of games it's been for the Windward High School product. Underneath, again, Howard was there. Henderson, attack. Oh, he throws it down. Henderson.
During the timeouts with the stunt crew. Henderson acted like he was on a trampoline and just elevated and hammered one.
Williams trying it again. Different result, but Mo Williams, the smallest guy on the floor, gets the rebound. James jumped up to the roof to make the catch.
Oh my goodness, what is this? How does this guy get off his feet like that?
Well, they kept it in the building.
He's made a huge difference for the Clippers' cause tonight. Another turnover.
Paul knocked it away from Isaiah. Look out. There's Bledsoe. Showtime here in Los Angeles.
Thought that combination of words would be uttered in public.
Turns it over. James keeps his dribble somehow. Irving back to James. Oh, he throws it down.
Throws it down. Mama, there goes that man.
That's a long distance alley-oop slam. Just amazing.
Lead at 32-17. Westbrook racing. Westbrook elevating the two-handed sledgehammer.
I promise you. Well, I mean, this is on a set piece coming out of bounds. On the other end, man, he punished that rim.
Crawford brings it up himself.
Over the top. Oh, Gerald Green.
Jeez. He has it hard. He has not lost it. We'll run it down there. Cranks it out to Wilson Chandler. To McGee.
Oh, my goodness.
That was kind of like a la Blake Griffin. He threw that in. Now watch JaVale McGee right here now.
Even though they had their
periods where they didn't play good basketball, but ultimately they will be there at the end. Shannon Brown, wow! Well, getting it done on the defensive end, and Kobe Bryant with the pass ahead, and it's certainly a doctor in the house. 3 or 4 steps, but how about the explosion?
Davis, double team. Slammed in, Terrence Ross.
Got a running start. Aaron Aflalo got caught watching the action.
Milwaukee. Patrick curling down the lane. Leads in, off the glass, no. Antetokounmpo with a rebound. Here comes Giannis racing. Look at that speed. Giannis Antetokounmpo. Did he jump from the free throw line, Marcus?